So these are 28 alphabets and 10 markers of English, also known as Hanafi script. This is a script that from the ancient Sanskrit stone inscriptions. We Rohingya people never had opportunity to learn our language and opportunity to learn and language for
A, ba, pa, ta, ta, ja, cha, ha, kha, pa, da, ra, za, sa, sha, ka, ga, la, ma, na, wa, nawa, ya, kinaya, nga, naya. A for, E for, U for, A for, O for, Nahonna, Harbai, Tela, Kana, Tosi.
Good. Thank you. Good. Judge Ferran.
So please join to Rohingya boats of Arshans. We have different type of boat for different purpose. In rural areas, people use this type of passenger boats to travel from one place to another place, and we use this type of ferry boats to cross one side to another side. And especially this one is racing boats. People use this boats for racing between villages. Around our village, there were many rivers, streams, and oceans. So fishing was one of our occupations. So above our heads, all our fishing nets, our fishermen use for fishing. Yes, sir. So please do our guide. These are doing typical divisions. Our tanks, all the details before we plan.
স্যার আমি 22 তারিখের আগে আপনার সাথে আবার কথা বলবো স্যার মানে যারা সড়ক প্রশাসন মানে পুরো ওই অনুযায়ী আমি
water remains cold in the summer season. And even in the camp, people are still using this type of grinder to drain chill and other instruments.
good